When's that moment that you know it's here, and what's that feeling like for whether it's a technician, all the store really? What's that like?
I think there's two different times that you feel that. I think you start getting around Labor Day or leading up to Labor Day there in early September, and for us, we can feel it. You can start to see it, feel it. Things are starting to change, whether it's the foliage changing, the crop has matured. There's a few progressive customers that are maybe starting to inch into some bean fields or maybe shell a little early wet corn, things like that. But then there's the second time frame, which is really around the 1st of October, when things really start to come alive.